At RPG Equipment, we bring you machines that push the limits of access, performance, and productivity. Introducing the CMC 92 HD plus Arbor Pro, a powerful tracked spider lift designed to help arborists and contractors work safely and efficiently at extreme heights, even in the most challenging locations. The CMC 92 HD plus Arbor Pro delivers an outstanding 92-foot working height, 46-foot lateral outreach, and 49-foot up and over reach, providing exceptional access for tree care and elevated work. Built for tight access job sites, this machine measures only 35 inches wide in transport mode, allowing it to fit through standard single gates with ease. Powered by a dependable 21.6 horsepower Kubota D902 diesel engine, the 92 HD Plus weighs approximately 9,200 pounds and features a spacious basket with a 507-pound lifting capacity. Its multi-position outriggers and automatic leveling system ensure maximum stability and quick setup, even on uneven terrain. Compact, powerful, and engineered for professional performance, the CMC 92 HD Plus Arbor Pro is ready to take your operations to new heights. Whether you're working above obstacles, accessing hard-to-reach areas, or tackling demanding tree care projects, the CMC 92 HD Plus Arbor Pro delivers the reach, stability, and reliability professionals depend on. Contact RPG Equipment today and discover how this industry-leading spider lift can elevate your productivity, safety, and performance on every job.